Hello friends, I'm Professor S.B. Devre, Department of Soil and Water Conservation Engineering from KKWA College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology, Nasi. Today we discuss about the topic of causes of failure earthen dams. Many times sometimes earthen dam get failure due to the following reasons. It is hydraulic failure, seepage failure, structural failures or earthquake failures. Causes of failure of earthen dams. This image shows the embankment and it gets failure and the waters from the upstream side of the embankment get flow and the embankment get eroded by due to the flow. Causes of failure of earthen dams. That is hydraulic failure. Above 40% of earthen dam failure are due to the reason only hydraulic failure. By overtopping. The overtopping of dam may causes due to the insufficient capacity of spillway and insufficient freeboard or its spillway gates are not properly operated. Erosion of upstream slopes. Erosion is caused due to the wave action on the upstream slope and leads to its slips. The slope should be properly protected by providing pitchings and cracking due to the frost actions. Cracks in the upper portion are developed due to the frost. It leads to profuse seepage and consequent failure. In areas of low temperature, additional freeboard about 1 meter should be provided to guard against such failures. This is the hydraulic failure body. This is the body of the dam. Dam failure by the overtapping. Full water supply level shows that the water is stored at the extreme end of the dam heights and it gets overtopping from the dam heights. That's why dam gets failure due to overtopping flow. Causes of failure due to the erosion of downstream slopes. Erosion occurs on the downstream slope due to the rain action. If unchecked, it forms gullies on the downstream face, ultimately leading to a dam failure. This can be avoided by planting hariali on the downstream face by proper maintenance or providing stone riprafts. Erosion of downstream toe. The toe of the dam may be eroded due to a heavy cross current coming from spillway bucket or tailwater. The downstream slope should be protected by providing stone pitching or riprafs. Seepage failure. More than 33% of earthen dams failure are due to the seepage. Always occur in the earth dams. It does not harm its stability if it is within the design limits, but excessive seepage will lead to failure of the dams. First one in that piping through the body of the dam. It is due to transport of side particle with a seepage flow. It results in a gradual formation of drain from upstream to downstream through which water flows and thus the dam fills. This is figure shows the uh, in the earthen embankments. Here is the high flood levels and the smallest the erosion gates occur in the embankments. This portion is forms due to the piping through the foundation. When highly permeable strata of a gravel, sand or cavities are present in the foundation of the dam, it permits heavy seepage of water through its causing erosion of soil, which will result in the formation of piping. Hence the dam will sink down causing its failure. Careful investigation of foundation soil and proper will help in avoiding such failures. That is, this is figure shows the piping below the foundation. This is the pervious layer and water seeps from these points and remove at the outlet, the uh, outside the downstream sides. This image shows the piping through the earthen embankment. This is the embankment and water removed from this embankment. Slogging actions. Structural failure. About 25 to 30% of the dam failure are due to these reasons. Upstream and downstream slope. The slope being steeper than required leads to slips due to the stress strength. The slope should therefore be flat as required from the structural point of view. And second one is sudden drawdown. The sudden drawdown in water level of the reservoir causes slips of upstream slope. The slope should be flat enough to be stable under a sudden drawdown condition. And due to the faulty construction and improper maintenance, earthen dam gets failure. Wrong placement of material in the different zones, under compaction or over compaction, blind drains due to mixing of soils, timely repairs of gullies, raincuts, settlements, pitching will help for better health of the dams. Also, foundation in a slides, failure by spreadings, failure by earthquake, slope protection failure, damage due to the soluble minerals also occur in the earthen embankments. Failure by earthquakes. The potential hazards to a dam from earthquake depends on how large the earthquake is and how near to the dam site. It is main hazard to a dam from an earthquake or surface failure under the dam. Strong ground shaking water waves in the reservoir produced by earthquakes, ground motion or landslides and rock falls, and pervasive ground deformation associated with nearby faulting, which may manifest in cracking at dam top and central core. Settlement of the dam, twist, shear failure at the dam base, and liquefaction of loose and structural soil mass in the lower portion of the dam, and overtopping due to high waves generated in the reservoirs. This image shows the failure by earthquake of earthen embankments. Seepage controls. The water seeping through the body of the dams or through the foundation of the dams may prove harmful to the stability of the dam by causing softening and sloping of the slopes due to the development of pore pressure. It may also cause piping either through the dam body or through the foundation that results in the failure due to the failure of the dams. Thank you. These are the all points regarding the failure of the dams.